Meaning of flame retardant.
Flame retardant.
Flame retardant.
Flame retardant.
Flame retardant. Flame retardant refers to the ability of a material to resist catching fire and slow down the spread of flames. Flame retardant materials are often used in products such as clothing, furniture, and electronics to reduce the risk of fire. They work by releasing chemicals that inhibit the combustion process or by forming a protective layer that prevents oxygen from reaching the flames. The result of using flame retardant materials is an increased level of safety and reduced damage in the event of a fire.